Fine, let us go with the problem number 7. Right, here they have given 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 28 is equal to. They have given the 4 options here. It's very simple one. Take a LCM here. So for LCM of this 2, right, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Let us start working with the 2, right. 2 1s are 2s are, right, 7 I can't divide, again 7, so 14. So directly again go with the 2, right, 1, so 1, so 7, 7 and 7, right. Let me go with the 7, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM for this is 2 into 2 into 7, that is 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 is the LCM. Now 28 is the LCM. So now simplify it here, right here. So you can you can add denominator as 1, but which doesn't have any values, right. Let us divide this 28 ones are, this will become 28 plus, now 28 divided by 2 is 14, ones are 14 plus 4, when you divide 28 by 4 is 7, 7 ones are 7 plus 7 4s are 4 here plus 14 2s are 2 here plus 28 ones. Now add it here, 28 plus 14 42 plus 7 49 50 54 56. This will become 56 by 28. Can it divide by 7? Right, yes, it is 7. It is divisible by 7. Now 28 2s are, right. So let us check out here how much it will come. So let me go with the 2, 4, 7, 7 4s are, right, 7 8s are 56, right, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So answer is 2. Option A is the right one. Here you can divide, see, simply you can check it out, 28 2s are is 56. Directly you can divide, or otherwise you can divide by 2 or divide by 4 or divided by 7. So you are going to get this. So option A is the right one.